Hi, in this episode, I'm going to show you how to customize the UI. After this video, you'll be able to make any improvements and modifications you want to your personal interface. With the UI editor, you can integrate Intrigues into your personal interface without needing to code superficially. However, I'll show you how to customize your interface to work best and add extra features. Intrigues is designed to provide maximum convenience in every aspect and save users time. As seen in this example, we have a few issues. The first issue is that the Spouses tab appears active, even though Ulrich doesn't have any spouses. The second issue is that the Schemes tab is active despite there being no intrigues that we can initiate with the target. Luckily, there's a very easy solution to these problems. Apart from these issues, we want to add an external tooltip system to our interface. This will make the UI much more efficient. You can easily integrate all kinds of tools into your interface and ensure they work with other assets. Now, let's start customizing our interface. Here, I want to show the portrait is faded if the character is not alive and add a dead label. Go to the Family category component. If there are no characters in this category, we want to completely remove the tab and indicate if the character is not alive. You can do this as well, using Unity event without the need for coding. Repeat these processes for the other categories. Go back to the Actor Panel Navigator component. From here, if there are no schemes that we can initiate against the actor whose profile we are looking at, we will hide the Schemes tab. We handle this easily with a Unity event. That's it. With a few steps, we've made improvements to the UI. Here we can initiate assassinations against characters who are already not alive. Let's immediately correct this absurdity. Open the editor. Press the spacebar and then add the Get State node. This node checks whether conspirator or target actors are alive or not. By activating the Hide If Not Compatible option, if the actor is not suitable to start the assassination scheme, it will not be shown in the interface at all. If the Hide If Not Compatible option is off, the actor can see but cannot initiate schemes they can't trigger. Now let's dig in deeper. Create a new script. Drag this script onto the actor panel. Change the mono behavior in the script to actor behavior. That's it. Now you can easily make customizations through this script. Here you have access to some methods. The onMenuOpened method is called when the actor panel is opened. The onPageUpdated method is called each time the panel is updated. The onAvailableSchemeLoaded method is called for each scheme loaded into the Schemes tab. The onFamilyMemberLoaded method is called for each loaded family member. The onSchemeButtonTriggered method is called when the scheme trigger button is clicked. When the onSchemeButtonTriggered method is overridden, the scheme trigger button will lose its function, meaning you will need to recode it. I'll show you what I mean in a bit. Let's continue. Using the onAvailableSchemeLoaded method, if we are not suitable to start the scheme, I want to provide reasons as feedback. I will give feedback using the simple tooltip system found within Intrigues. The transform parameter provides the transform object of the duplicated scheme layout item. Let's turn off the Hide If Not Compatible option for the assassination scheme again. Otherwise, we won't be able to see it. That's it. That's it. We've seamlessly integrated the tooltip system, a distinct feature, into the UI. Now let's test the warning. That's it. As you can see, the scheme trigger button will initiate the scheme directly when clicked, unless it is overwritten. Now, for instance, when we want to start a scheme, I want a dialog window to appear and ask us if we are sure. For this, within actor behavior, we need to override the on-scheme button triggered method. That's it. We did that easily too. The Start Scheme method is a member of actor behavior. It acts as a shortcut for you to start the scheme. Let's test it. Great. No problems at all. We easily accomplished what we wanted. Now let's add a bit more interaction to the UI. Great. We easily customize the UI using just one script file. Now, let's move on to the clan page. Here, the processes are entirely the same. Change the mono behavior in the script to clan behavior. The onMenuOpened method is called when the clan panel is opened. The onPageUpdated method is called each time the panel is updated. The onPolicyLoaded method is called for each loaded policy. The onClanMemberLoaded method is called for each loaded clan member. Great. We easily customize the clan page too, following the same steps. Finally, let's customize the active scheme panel. Change the mono behavior in the script to scheme behavior. The on-menu opened method is called when the scheme panel is opened. The on-page updated method is called each time the panel is updated. The on-active scheme loaded method is called for each active scheme. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.